If you want to quit Google Calendar or remove a calendar you no longer need, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you're cleaning up old calendars, leaving a shared calendar, or just simplifying your schedule, this is the fastest way to do it on your computer. And before we jump in, if this video helps you, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. You'll want to make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account before you begin, especially if you manage more than one calendar. Once Google Calendar is open, look over to the left side of the screen. This is where you'll see your calendar list, including your primary calendar and any other calendars you've added or subscribed to. Now find the calendar that you want to quit or delete. Carefully check the name so you don't remove the wrong one. When you see the calendar, click the three dots next to its name. This opens the Calendar Options menu. From that menu, choose Settings and Sharing. This takes you into the detailed settings page for that specific calendar, where you can manage visibility, notifications, sharing, and removal options. Once you're inside the settings page, scroll down until you find the Remove Calendar section. This is usually near the bottom, so keep scrolling until you see it. When you find it, click Delete. Google will then ask you to confirm the action. This is an important step because deleting a calendar can remove its events, depending on your permissions and the type of calendar it is. Take a moment to double check that you are deleting the correct calendar. If everything looks right, confirm the deletion. After that, Google Calendar will remove the calendar from your list and you'll no longer see it on your account. If it was a calendar you created, it may be permanently deleted. If it was a shared calendar, your access may simply be removed instead. And that's it. You've now quit Google Calendar by removing the calendar from your account. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to go, and it's a great way to keep your calendar list organized. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Google and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.